To begin our installation, you're going to need the following tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, a 5mm hex wrench, and then a 13mm wrench. To start, we're going to go on the brake side of the bike, and we're focusing on the foot peg here. What we're going to be doing is there is a small retaining ring right here, and we're going to pry it off with our small flathead screwdriver. So it has a little spot where you can get the end of your screwdriver in, and then just start pulling, and comes right off. Next, we're going to be pushing out this pin, but you need to keep in mind that the pin goes through this spring, so you need to kind of hold on to it so it doesn't go flying. And you can use your flathead screwdriver to push the pin through. And hold on to these pieces because we will be reusing them. Next, you're going to take the bracket that comes in the kit with the opening on the left-hand side, and it slides right into this slot. You're going to put your bolt that comes with the kit through the hole, and then you're going to put the lock nut on the other side. To tighten this, you're going to need your 5mm hex and your 13mm wrench. Now we're going to be putting the foot peg into the bracket, and to do that you're going to start by putting this pin slightly through the hole. Put your foot peg in, get the pin till it just starts coming through. Take your spring and push that down and start pushing the pin through. Then you can take that retaining clip, and the pin has a slot on it. You put the retaining clip onto that, and then the easiest way to put that on is with a pair of needle nose pliers. And that's that. Now we're going to move on to the clutch side. The procedure for the clutch side is going to be the same as we did on the brake side. We're going to start by removing the retaining clip using our flathead screwdriver. And then you're going to start pushing the pin through, and make sure your spring doesn't go flying. Set all these aside because you will be reusing them. Now you can take the other bracket from the kit, put the bolt included in the kit through the slot, and then put your nut on the other end. 5mm hex, 13mm wrench, and just start tightening it up. Now we're ready to start putting our foot peg back on. To do this, we're going to put the pin through a little bit, put your foot peg through, your spring, push it down, and push the pin all the way through. Now you can go ahead and put your retaining clip back on, put it onto the slot on the pin, and clamp it down with your needle nose pliers. And the installation is complete.